last few years, it's been most of my life, but in the last few years I've become increasingly concerned about the economic stability of the country. And one of the pieces of economic instability is that food prices skyrocket. And I think most people can see that in the grocery stores, in the farmers markets, whatever. The prices of food are really, really going up. So I decided to extend the garden. Now this area here in front of the greenhouse used to be lawn. And it had these castle stones all the way along that edge where you can see that I've pulled the castle stones out. This whole area all along here is going to be garden. We'll have the garden boxes. We will have the main garden going all the way over to the grapevines. The other gardens on the other end, I'm still working. But a few years ago we went no-till, and it is doing an amazing job. And we also did drip irrigation, so the overhead sprinklers are basically just there for show. But we are extending the garden. My goal is to be able to take care of all of our vegetative food needs. Eventually I would like to get chickens, but I want to get the garden, the main garden, finished first, and make sure that we are capable of taking care of ourselves. See you later.